Your name?
Amanda Diggs.
And what makes this different, Amanda?
For me, knowing that you guys are, you guys know your stuff, and you guys aren't going to try and sell things that don't need to be sold. The work, the quality of work, the quality of items that you guys have, and the fact that you guys charge equally to that quality of work makes you guys different compared to most shops who just act like they know everything and don't, and then charge up a storm.
And would you recommend this to someone else?
Heck yeah.
Okay, yeah.